You should absolutely incorporate essential oils into your skincare routine. I know that you are looking for the best possible outcomes for your skin. So here are the 10 best essential oils for your skin and how to use essential oils for your skin. Each of these choices have been carefully selected so you know and trust that you will be getting the most out of your skincare routine based on your skin type. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator, health and business coach, and the mother of 6 kids. I help women look and feel great using natural products like essential oils and healthy lifestyle tips. We all want beautiful skin. Getting the smooth, glowing complexion you want is a big task with a simple solution. You just need the right tools. A beautiful complexion doesn't have to be complex. Countless skincare products are available on the market today, but the key to developing healthy looking skin is simply to give your skin what it craves, which is moisture, soothing comfort, gentle cleansing, and naturally sourced ingredients so you're not having some of those side effects from synthetics. Essential oils can deliver these properties and so much more. Because essential oils have naturally soothing, calming, and cleansing properties, when used properly, essential oils are a powerful tool for gently and effectively promoting a healthy looking complexion. So using essential oils for skin, let's cover that. So how do you use essential oils for skin? I want to cover this before sharing the 10 best essential oils for skin of all types. Not only are essential oils powerful and potent, they are extremely versatile as well. Dozens of essential oils have numerous benefits to your skin when you apply them topically. When deciding which essential oils to choose for yourself, look for the benefits like some of the following. Promotes clear, healthy looking skin, cleanses the skin, soothes and rejuvenates the appearance of dry skin. Maybe you'll be looking for promoting youthful, glowing complexion. So essential oils in your skincare routine. Once you start using essential oils in your daily skincare routine, you'll see how easy it is to care for your skin using these naturally sourced gifts from the earth. To start incorporating essential oils into your skincare habits, you simply need the right ones. Ready to get started? Here are just a few essential oils that are good for your skin and our suggestions for how to use them. So the first favorite is called Immortelle Essential Oil Blend. Immortelle is a rich blend formulated by experts to reduce the signs and appearance of aging. Curated with essential oils known for their renewing and skin beautifying benefits. If you're unsure where to start using essential oils in your skincare, Immortelle is an easy and powerful place to begin. So how to use Immortelle Essential Oil Blend for your skin? Well, you can apply it to your neck. It's in a roller bottle. You can apply it to your hands, to your face to promote a glowing complexion. Used to soothe dry skin after a day at the beach or at the pool. You can use it topically for a clean, smooth canvas before moisturizing. Use as part of your skincare routine to promote a healthy, youthful looking complexion. Now the next oil that I love for skin of all type is tea tree essential oil. It's one of the best essential oils for skin. Tea tree essential oil has surface cleansing qualities that effectively promote clean, rejuvenated looking skin. So tea tree oil is frequently used to clean skin and nails and can be used to support a healthy looking complexion. So how to use tea tree essential oil for your skin. When occasional skin discomforts arise, those blemishes, that you can actually just touch the top of the bottle and dot those areas. Tea tree essential oil is soothing, and also if you add 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil to your daily facial cleanser for added cleansing properties, you'll be amazed. You can apply tea tree oil to your skin after shaving to soothe and clarify your skin. And then after showering, apply tea tree oil to your fingernails and toenails to keep the nails looking healthy. Another great essential oil is blue tansy. Blue tansy essential oil is revered for its skin soothing benefits. We love blue tansy oil not only because it helps soothe dry skin and promotes a clear, youthful looking complexion, but it also has a sweet aroma and provides a cooling sensation to your skin. So how do we use blue tansy essential oil for skin? So I recommend that you add a drop of blue tansy oil to 1 or 2 ounces of your favorite moisturizer. You probably have one that you just love, and so you can just drop that in with your moisturizer, and it is actually very blue. The cool thing is that it will disappear and absorb into your skin, so you will not be having a blue face, but this is great for a glowing complexion. To soothe the skin, mix a few drops of blue tansy oil with fractionated coconut oil and rub it into your shoulders, into your neck, or your legs during a comforting massage. You can actually take the bottle with you to your massage therapist. The uplifting aroma and vibrant color of blue tansy oil makes it the perfect essential oil for homemade cleansing or moisturizing body soaps. If you are new to essential oils or you want this info in a PDF, you can download my essential oils guidebook for a great reference and resource. You'll find that in the description. So another great oil is Melissa essential oil. So Melissa essential oil is a precious member of the essential oil family. Cherished for its array of personal care benefits, its fresh, sweet, calming aroma. This essential oil promotes clean, glowing skin and soothes skin with its unique fragrance. So how would you use Melissa essential oil to give your skin that invigorating boost? You can add a drop of Melissa essential oil, again, into your cleanser or into your moisturizer. You can also add several drops of Melissa to a spray bottle of water, and you can just gently mist your skin. This is rejuvenating. It helps your skin to be hydrated and to feel clean and refreshed. Sometimes my daughter will use it as a set after her makeup. So give yourself a facial with this DIY clay facial mask using Melissa essential oil. I'll put that up on the screen. So no matter where you begin, there is an essential oil that matches for your skin type. So want to learn more about the options that you have depending on your skin type? So let's explore some of our other skin care essential oils. So let's go over the best essential oils for your skin type. So if you have normal skin, lavender, geranium, ylang ylang, the Immortelle anti-aging blend, and then doTERRA's Rose Touch are great. If you have oily skin, cypress, lemon, lemongrass, wild orange, tea tree are your go-tos. For dry skin, sandalwood, geranium, cedarwood, you'll see the list there. Sensitive skin, there's the list. Mature skin, again, you will see the list there. If you have blemishes, I love the HD Clear Blend. There's tea tree, eucalyptus, geranium, and frankincense. So those are the 10 best essential oils for your skin and a few more. If you're looking for a community of like-minded women, come join me in my free Lifestyle Upgrade Experience group where you can learn all the tips and tricks to using essential oils. I also know that looking and feeling great costs money. So if you're open to learning how to get paid to live healthy, check out how thousands are doing this around the world. And I will link up my 5-minute video for our Get Paid to Live Healthy wellness program so you can check that out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you click the like and subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.